Okay, the student wants to use a quotation to emphasize potential problem with the Wood Wide Web theory. Okay. So, problem. Okay, potential problem. So something negative tone about this topic, Wood Wide Web theory, will be the answer. So let's start with the line 1. The popular Wood Wide Web theory posits that trees can communicate and exchange resources with one another via common mycorrhizal networks of fungi. Okay, so there is a theory. So intro of this theory. And the ecologists, Dr. Suzanne and Simard, first suggested this theory in 1997. She described trees as super cooperators. In 2022, so that's like well over 2 decades, the decay of the Wood Wide Web, mycologist Dr. Justin Carson colleagues evaluated dozens of CMN studies. They write that CMNs have captured the interest of broad audiences. We're concerned, however, so both words describe the problem that recent claims about CMNs in forests are disconnected from evidence. So in other words, despite it got a lot of attention, these new scientists in 2022 find that not enough evidence is found. So we really want to target the last sentence here. The recent claims about that is disconnected from evidence. So line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to talk about line 4 mostly. Okay. So describing super cooperators, Simard first suggests that trees can exchange resources with another in 1997. Doesn't talk about the issues with Wood Wide Web theory. So A is out. In the decay of Wood Wide Web, Carson and colleagues note that common mycorrhizal network have captured the interest. So it doesn't talk about the other part, about their concern and the potential problem. So it didn't talk about this potential problem, so choice B is out. Choice C, after evaluating dozens of CMN studies, Carson and colleagues expressed concern that recent claims about common mycorrhizal network are disconnected from evidence, and that totally match with our highlight here. Okay, so C should be the answer. D, despite the concern expressed in 2020 to study the decay of the Wood Wide Web, the Wood Wide Web theory remains popular. Again, there's nothing mentioned, no mentions of any potential problem, so D is out. So the correct answer should be C.